Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris. Last episode we ran into the big blue blob and decided that we want to be in their alliance, and there's a chance we could pull that. Actually, we could potentially get our their attitude up to friendly. In fact, let's offer them a trade deal. Let's do order access, civilian access. You're trading at 90%. That's pretty good. That's about as good as you're gonna get. Civilian access for 30 years. Just do it. Might as well. And I wonder if we can do an instant transfer of cash. Just pay you for it. No, doesn't look like it. Okay, let's do a monthly transfer of minerals then. Ooh, wow, 2 minerals per month. Yeah, they'll want it that. They're super jazzed about that. Okay, cool. So we're gonna get some an ongoing little opinion bonus with them. It doesn't show up yet, but that'll happen. Their opinion of us is gonna go up a lot. Our embassy is still barely there. New contact is going down, and that's interesting. They're repugnant, and yet they like us less. Huh. Okay, well, that's interesting. The other fun thing that happened is I picked up a colony ship and then just sat on it. Don't sit on your colony ships. Just don't, okay? So we're gonna settle Jolderon. Colony ship. Actually, let's see here. Colonize planet. Where did I want to colonize? There's all kinds of good places to colonize. Let's just put it right here. Well, there's no... Actually, here's the thing. There's no spectacular place to colonize. So let's just put it right... No, let's put it right here. Yeah, okay. Okay, cool. Now, the route that they're going to take, let's make sure that they're not doing something stupid. No, they're fine. Yeah, they're not going through hostile territory. So that's good. And the BBB is more than happy to let us wander through their territory. And now let's check out what they think of us. Asked to join alliance, minus, okay, 55. So they like us by 65. Okay. Okay. They're still, oh, they're superior to us again. We're gonna have to, oh no, they've been superior. That's right, that's right. So we're gonna have to build up our navy a little bit. Which, once they get repaired, we're about to go possibly lose some pieces to our navy, but that's okay. Queued up this guy to finish surveying this system, so that's fine. Also, we want another colony ship for the very simple reason that... Oh, we don't have the stuff for it yet. Oh, very, very, very soon here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, let's get standard Venetians. There we go. Okay. Okay. First fleet is up to 626 power. Let's go see what the heck is going on in here. Beat up some aliens. Ooh, unemployment. Oh, that's actually kind of good. It means that we can build more things. What is this planet? This is Murano? Okay, you're at -1 food. I have this great idea. I have a really great idea. How's about if you build me a hydroponic farm? We're still going to be at negative food, though. No, we're not. Okay. It's fine. And then let's clear this out. We don't have the money. That's right. Well, we don't have the minerals, is what we don't have. Okay. So, fleet. Ooh, 626. Do you want to take on 452? I think you do. Do this. And starvation. Yeah, we knew that was going to happen. And there's actually nothing we can really do about it, too. Hang on. Someone else has declared the Aztecs as their rival. Good. Actually good. Oh, who just died? Scientist Marco Contarini has died. Oh, no. He just up and died? Okay, well, that's fine. So what are we currently researching? Statecraft. Okay, well, let's see if we can get someone with statecraft. No. Spark of Genius, though. I'm always up for some genius. Let's go genius. Alright. Do it. Okay, there we go. Plus 19%. Nice. Plus 10% on just whatever the heck he feels like.
Situation.
Did we lose anybody? Yeah, we lost some folks.
System survey complete.
We lost one. Okay, guys. Go home. Repair fleet. Let's build, first and foremost... where's that place that's starving? Look, you. I know. When are you going to build this? Oh, this is going to be done in a second.
Construction complete.
Can we upgrade this? Upgrade. Oh, planetary administration. Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Ugh. We don't have the minerals. We will soon, though. So we'll do planetary administration in a second here. Actually, probably what we're going to do, we're going to clear this out. Clear out some toxic kelp. There we go. He died. Yeah, he did. Fleet combat. Lost one of those. That's fine. Oh, science ship. Galilei. What are you doing? Where are you? Oh, you're down there. Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Go up here. Survey that system. Please, and thank you. Okay. And then, Cassini, when you're done there, zip on up here and research that. Zip on up here and research this. Oh! Actually, no. Okay, first off, finish surveying this system. Then come over here to Capella and do this. Because that's only a 7% failure risk. That's a nice little... And then finish off with a 52% failure risk research. Because he's kind of old already. He's 73. We might as well... He's going to die at some point soon anyway. We might as well just see what happens, right? Placid Leviathans. Good work. How are the, how are you guys liking me? You're still superior. I don't know what that differing war philosophy is gonna... What don't you like about my war philosophy? Because I'm not a pacifist. Governor Francesco Foscari has leveled up. Excellent. That's probably good. I haven't really been dealing with governors very well. I should probably work on that. Oh, I want Caesar. So bad. I want it.
Construction complete.
Hang on, what was that? Urano has finished its surface construction queue. Does that mean that you're not being dumb? Or what did we tell you to do? I think we told you to clear something out. I don't remember what we did. But are you not starving? Yeah, you are at 0 food. Okay, well, what are we going to do then? How are you still growing? How does that work? Let's clear this toxic kelp. It's cheap. Gives us some breathing room. And then upgrade the ship shelter. You don't have the money. Well, we don't have the minerals. Hang on. The Aztecs are ore with somebody. Oh gosh, it's gonna be horrible. Construction ship. Don't be lazy. Build a mining station. That'll complete our thing. That'll complete our mandate. We currently have a mandate to build mining stations. When? It may be too late though. Yeah, we have an election coming up. Oh, yeah. No, we're not going to complete the mandate because it ends in, like, a minute. It ends in, like, 4 days or something silly like that. Craxima has been finished. Ooh, that's not bad. Look at that. It's not bad. Cool. First fleet is repaired. I think it may be time to move on up here to Zithri. Clear some things out. That may be the case. What's our research doing? Are we doing... Yeah, we're doing destroyers. It's gonna be a while. Okay, fleet, come on up. It's gonna take you a little bit to get up there. That's okay. Somebody has been elected the president. We did not fulfill our mandate, which is too bad. Okay. Okay, and then let's...
System survey complete. Construction complete.
Give me a scientist here, kids. What are we doing? We're doing rocketry. No, voidcraft, excuse me. Oh, first off... Oh yeah, we have a voidcraft. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Plus 21%. Good work. Bartolomeo Mocenigo. Spaceport of Murano has finished its thing. Colony ship, yes. Come on up. Colonize Hazra 2. We'll call it something else. Where are we going to stick you? So I was thinking about it, and putting it here is just as good as putting it here in the end. Like, we might as well, yeah, I'm just going to stick it right there. Because that way it doesn't waste any science. Look at that science right there. Man. Evidently toxic kelp gives you a lot of, like, physics. You learn a lot of physics with toxic kelp or something. Anyway. We're about to be running 2 different colonies. We'll see how that works out for us. And science ship. Science ship is lazy. Galilei? Yeah. Research that. And then survey system. Go.
Research complete.
Ooh. Edict cost. Minus some stuff. Okay. Ooh, we may go for the border range now. Because we want Caesar so bad. We may just have to stick a thing over there. It may be worth it to do that. Leader recruitment cost minus 5%. Colonial centralization would be nice, but I'm going to do this. Yep. Yeah, border range plus 20%. That's going to be good. It's going to be real good. Okay, everybody's busy? I believe everybody's busy, including our fleet. What do you got? Starvation. Starvation? How's that allowed? Looks like we're gonna have to do this. Build a hydroponics farm, and then once that's done, we will move this guy over. That'll be fine. Now, I mean, it's not ideal because it doesn't help us right now, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so what is our new mandate? Orbital research mandate. Oh! We might actually do that. We might actually pull that off. Yeah, well, we got 2 of them going on right there. We'll have a little bit going here. Well, we'll see what we do. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cream these guys. 86 power each. Pff, yeah. And then we'll going up to Z3. Oh, are they all gonna? Oh, they're gonna try to flee.
Engaged. Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated. Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
Done. While conducting their survey of Capella 7A, the Cassini detected the remains of an automated shipyard in orbit. At least 1,000 years old, seems to have been subjected to heavy missile barrage. But one of its manufacturing bays is still in working order. Is confident that power can be restored to the shipyard. I think I know what happens here.
Situation log updated.
Situation log. Let's do it. Right. And I have to actually... Come here. Come here, you. Research this first. Research project. And then do this. Thank you. Okay.
Situation log updated.
Thank you. What do we got? Yeah, I didn't lose anybody. How's our fleet doing? 98.6%. Alright. Let's move up here, see what we get. Let's see what happens. We'll get in there and then we'll determine how boned we are. How's starvation doing? We're almost done. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Construction
Okay,
complete.
there we go. And you move there. Okay, no more starvation? Yes. Okay, good. What construction was that? That was Corfu. Good. Good, good, good. Oh, 105. What can we do with this? Go get him. Go get him. Don't run away. Just don't run away. Could you not run away? That'd be great. Oh wait, construction ship. Don't be dumb. Build research stations.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Yep.
Situation
Yes,
log
didn't even lose
updated.
anybody. Nice. Anybody else? Head on up to Kosk. We may lose a torpedo boat. Is it better to come home and repair, or to just lose the torpedo boat? Yeah, let's just repair. Might as well. What are you doing? Science ship? Yeah, you're doing your thing. And the Aztec Empire has declared the Hanfiller Grand Duchy their rival. Oh. Oh yeah, they're right there though. That makes sense. Okay, good to know. Hey, BBB, what do you think of me? Minus 52. Oof. Plus 95 opinion. They're still not friendly, actually. And we will gather these specimens. Okay, begins the alien specimen procurement event chain. Yes, let's do it.
Situation log updated.
Okay, we'll do that. We could ask to be their vassal. Nope. So, relative power of empires is actually not worth that much. Differing war philosophy. I wish I knew what that actually was. Because it shows up here too. And these guys are neutral on war, and we are neutral on war. So I don't know what the deal is there. Ooh, Joldaroon. Are you, established? Yes, you are. Lepanto. Nice. Very, 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 very nice. Let's clear out some things. No, let's not bother with clearing out some things. Let's build a farm. Let's, oh, did I go over on this? Yeah. No. I still got 7 minutes. Okay. I get my episodes mixed up, actually. It's just a sign that I'm old, I think. Let's take a look at... Is it Naxos? You're almost done. Okay. Oh. We're about to be over our limit here. I think we're just going to turn Zara over. So I'm not going to worry about them yet. Yeah, we'll turn Zara over. That's fine. Or Hadus. In fact, maybe Hadus. We'll just let them deal with it. I mean, not that I like the AI for this kind of stuff, but, you know, what are you going to do? When can we build a spaceport? I just don't really want to deal with some of this stuff. There we go. Yeah, we are... Too many planets. Okay, we can deal with that. Tech researched. Physics Lab 1. Excellent. Power Plant 2. I think we go for it. It's going to be quick, and it's going to be good for the monies. When can we build a spaceport? Oh, it's going to be a while. Eek. We have received a communique from the Korean Directorate. They listened in on some stuff. So they are they're hegemonic imperialists. Oh, I didn't realize that. I didn't realize that's how that would come out. Okay. There's Science Directorate. We could learn much from each other, Korean. Where are you? Oh, the Big Blue Blob. Oh, they colonized out here. Okay, where's the Korean Directorate? Oh, you're down here. Okay. What? How are you doing? You are rivals with someone I don't know. You have embassies with somebody I don't know, and these guys. One of my rivals. They like us by -2. We're spiritualist fools and an individualist rabble. Yeah, we're probably never going to be friends. Hey, BBB, can we be your friend? They're still superior to us. Oh, if we can just get them friendly. Offer trade deal. Let's get a research agreement. They won't do it. Okay, they'll only do it with allies. Let's get migration access just to see what happens. Oh, they'll do it, yeah. Oh wow, they'll totally do it. For 30 years? Alright, it doesn't do us any good, but it does improve their opinion of us. Okay. Excellent. Now how do they like us? 108, they're still cordial though. Fleet power and technology are both superior. Okay. Well, let's make ourselves look good, huh? Orbital research mandate, that may happen. Oh yeah, there's just a lot of debris going on. That's what's going on. Where's our fleet? Coming home? Yeah, coming home to repair. So our empire is expanding.
Debris analyzed.
I'd like to build us a spaceport.
Construction complete.
Build me a mining station. Don't build anything, actually. Oh, construction ship. I wish you were better. Come here, enter orbit. Actually, the construction ship is fine. What's actually going on is I wish I had more. Wish I had more minerals.
Special project complete.
Okay. So I believe we got. I believe we got a fleet out of that. Yeah, we got new ships. There we go. New ships, come on over. Yeah. Join First Fleet. And for just a moment, we will be over. There we go. Okay, laser defenses and build spaceport. Okay. So we're building a spaceport in Corfu. We're going to give Corfu over. Just let them figure out what they're going to do. I think this place is going to be... Ooh, that's going to be science focused. Look at all the science going on here. Yeah, science, focus it up. In fact, we're going to give them plenty. So, too many planets. Create new sector. Hadus? And what's this? Sector's missing resources. Don't have enough money. You know what? We'll give you enough money. It's fine. We'll give them this, but they're not going to be able to do anything with this. There are hostiles in here. We're going to have to do something about that. So, we'll give them that. They should be happy with that. Okay. Okay. I could give him Dreadium, but I don't feel like it. I don't think that would be good. Not yet. Not yet. And then we'll finish that. Okay. So we have our first sector, the Corfu sector. Guess we just let time go forward. There we go. Sectors. Nice. No governor assigned. You know what? Let's get a governor. Let's get you a governor. What do you say? Let's recruit us a governor. Oh, and we'll give them a, No, what is this? Slave mineral output. No! No! Let's just give him Andrea Dauphine. It'll be cheap. Because he's cheap. Gosh. No, this guy. Okay, cool. Allow redevelopment, yes. Respectile resources, eh. Give me 25% at first. And, they're not making any money yet. Focus on research for now. So we are going to get some minerals, but not that much money from them. Okay. Andrea Dauphine. You do your job, alright? I think... Hang on. Sector has an energy deficit. Only collect energy from orbital stations. What? I don't know what that means. Fix it, I guess? I don't know. Go financial focus for now. Yeah, fix it. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. Fix it. That's what the AI is for, right? So I don't have to deal with it? Okay. Do you have your new ships yet? Yeah. Not you. Okay, we have a fleet now of 717. Hey, how's them apples, France? What do you think? You're still superior, but that's okay. Oh man, differing war philosophy is so bad. I wonder. I'll look it up. The episode's almost over. I'll look that up. As long as we can become friendly, I bet you that'll fix some things. So we're gonna send our fleet down here, beat up on some Xenos. Some of the bad Xenos. Not like some of the good Xenos, but some of the bad Xenos, you know. Science Officer Roberto Arizo has issued a report indicating that they are none too pleased, having been ordered to study Surudma 3, where they have found nothing of interest. Oh, so it was a failure. That's okay. At least it wasn't a crit fail, right? And then, Cassini, do something interesting. Go up. Yeah, survey... No, oops. Cassini, come here. Research project. Research project. Research project. Research project. And then survey systems. I want this one done first. Actually, never mind. Okay. Cassini, don't be dumb. By which I mean, don't make me be dumb. Research. 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 System. And then we'll go from there. Okay. Wait for a little bit of combat to occur. There we go. What do we got? Ooh, that's... we will not do combat there. That's a lot of combat, because they're all going to jump in, and they're all right next to each other. Gosh, that's a lot. You know what? Just kidding. Just kidding. How about we just head on up to Kosk? How about if we just head on up to Kosk next time? Until then... You know, we've expanded ourselves a little bit. We've gotten a little bit... We've gotten our first... What's it called? Our first sector, so that's always nice. We're going to have to... I'll manage some planets here in a second. Probably off camera. Oh yeah, we should clear some things out. Otherwise, nobody's growing. Yeah, I'll manage some things. Oh yeah, the managing will have... The managing will have to happen. We'll do all that next time. But for now, I enjoyed myself. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time. France, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think of me? Nope. Nope. Minus 50. Eesh. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. See you next time, folks.